What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. You're welcome to Reality TV, the home of news and trending stories. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, I really appreciate and thank you for your support. Yeah, right. Today I'm right here with another interesting video on a recent happening. Just sit back as I bring to you the video, and please do not forget to subscribe, share, turn on the notification icon so you will be notified each time I drop interesting and lovely story or news like this. Please join me as we watch the video. Thank you.
Anomalous in captivity. Train stop in Japan due to the earthquake. The magnitude reached 6.1 points. This happened near the coast of central Japan. The tremors were felt most strongly in the eastern prefectures of Fukushima and Ibaraki, but also in the capital Tokyo. The earthquake struck at around 5 p.m. local time at a depth of 350 kilometers off the coast of Mie Prefecture. A tsunami warning was not issued. Meteorologists said the eastern part of the country was hit by a phenomenon called anomalous seismic intensity, in which the tremors originated from distant epicenters, in this case the Pacific Plate near Japan. The Japan Central Railway said the high-speed train between Shin-Fuji and Nagoya stations was temporarily suspended due to the earthquake. Authorities on the island of Tonga in the Pacific Ocean have issued a tsunami warning following a magnitude 7.3 earthquake that hit the sea about 207 kilometers from the nation's capital, sources said.